Today we are going to tackle a challenging question that involves trigonometric identities and equations. Given that if tan theta plus pi equal to 3 tan theta minus pi and sin theta equal to m sin 2 pi, our goal is to find the value of m. Let's dive into the solution and explore the steps to find m. What they given? They given tan theta plus pi equal to 3 tan theta minus pi. So let's take that. Here tan theta plus pi, it is in the form of tan of a plus b, isn't it? What is the formula for tan a plus b? Tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a tan b. So let's use this formula here. In the left hand side, what we have? We have tan theta plus tan pi. So we can write this as tan theta plus tan pi over 1 minus tan theta tan pi. That is equal to 3 times. In the right hand side, we have a tan theta minus pi. It is in the form of tan of a minus b. So what is the formula for tan a minus b? The formula is tan a minus tan b over 1 plus tan a tan b. So use that formula here. Tan theta minus tan pi over 1 plus tan theta times tan pi. So each and every time you are writing tan theta tan pi, it is a bit difficult. So to make it simpler, let us consider tan theta as some other variable a and tan pi as some other variable just like b. The left hand side, the expression tan theta, we consider this as a, so just write a, and tan pi we consider this as b, so let's take b over 1 minus tan theta is a and tan pi is b, so a times b. Same like that, right hand side also, tan theta we consider as a minus tan pi we consider as b, so let's write b over 1 plus tan theta we consider as a and this is b. So we got a plus b over 1 minus ab equal to 3 times a minus b over 1 plus ab. Let's do cross multiply here. A plus b times 1 plus ab, that is equal to 3 times a minus b times 1 minus ab. Multiply each and every term. A times 1 which is a plus a times ab which is a power 2b plus b times 1 which is b plus b times ab which is ab power 2, that is left hand side, that is equal to 3 times. Here also open the brackets and multiply each and every term. A times 1 is a, here we have a minus, so let's use minus here. A times ab which is a power 2b. Now you have to start with b. Here we have a minus, so let's use minus b times 1 which is b, and here minus into minus plus, so let's use plus b times ab which is ab power 2. Now multiply with this 3 to each and every term. Here we are going to get 3a minus 3a power 2b minus 3b plus 3ab power 2. This is our right hand side term. Now this left hand side term, if you take into the right hand side, it is going to be minus a power 2b minus b minus ab power 2, that is equal to 0, plus 3a minus a which use plus 2a minus 3a power 2b. Here we have minus a power 2b which use minus 4a power 2b. Here minus 3b and minus b which use minus 4b plus 3ab power 2 minus ab power 2 which use plus 2ab power 2, that is equal to 0. Each and every term we have a multiple of 2, that's why both sides divide by 2. Then the first term is going to be only a, and the second term is going to be 2a power 2b, and the third term is going to be only 2b, and the fourth term is going to be only plus ab power 2, and that is equal to 0. All the plus terms you just keep it here, and the remaining minus terms you have, let's send to the right hand side. So what are the plus terms? A plus ab power 2. What are the minus terms? This is a minus term and this is a minus term, so that is equal to 2a power 2b plus 2b. In the left hand side, both terms we have a, so let's take a as common. Then we are going to get 1 plus b power 2. Here also we have a 2b and 2b is common, so let's take 2b. Then we are going to left a power 2 plus 1. This a power 2 plus 1 we can write as 1 plus a power 2. Let's take all the a terms in one side and all the b terms in one side. So what we get here? A over 1 plus a power 2, that is equal to 2b over 1 plus b power 2. Using the first condition, we got a over 1 plus a power 2, that is equal to 2 times b over b 1 plus b power 2. This we got. Now let's take the second condition, which is sine 2 theta, that is equal to m sine 2 pi. So what is the sine 2 theta formula? 2 sine theta times cos theta, that is equal to m times, what is sine 2 pi? 2 sine pi times cos pi. That means here we need to values of sine theta cos theta value and sine pi cos pi values. And before we consider tan theta as a and tan pi as b. Now our goal is to find sine theta cos theta, sine pi cos pi, isn't it? Let's use one more popular identity, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So if you both sides divide with cos square theta, here cos square and here cos square gets cancelled, so we left only 1 here. Sine square theta over cos square theta is nothing but tan square theta. We consider tan theta as a. So if what is tan square theta, which is a power 2. So just write a power 2 here. A power 2 plus 1, that is equal to 1 over cos square theta. From here we can find that cos square theta is 1 over 1 plus a power 2. We need to find cos theta. That's why let's take square root on both sides. Then here square and square root gets cancelled. So we left only cos theta as 1 over square root of 1 plus a power 2. So we got cos theta. Let's find the sine theta. We are going to use the same trigonometric identity, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. Here now let's divide both sides by sine square theta. Here sine gets cancelled, so we left only 1 here. Cos square theta divided by sine square theta is nothing but cot square theta, and we have in terms of tan, so that's why cot theta also let's convert in terms of tan, that is 1 over tan square theta. So what is tan square theta? The value is a power 2. If you take the LCM here, we are going to get 1 plus a power 2 over a power 2 is nothing but 1 over sine square theta. If you want to find sine square theta, so that is going to be a power 2 over 1 plus a power 2. And our goal is to find only sine theta. So this is sine theta value. So using that popular identity, we got sine theta cos theta values. Now we need to find sine pi cos pi. Now you have to use this tan pi equal to b. And you have to use same identity, which is sine square pi plus cos square pi, that is equal to 1. Let's divide both sides by sine square theta. Here sine or gets cancelled, so we left only 1 here. And here cot square pi, this we can write this as 1 over tan power 2 pi is nothing but b power 2. If you take LCM here, that is going to be 1 plus b power 2 over b power 2, that is our 1 over sine power 2 pi. So from here sine square pi as b power 2 over 1 plus b power 2. If you take square root on both sides, here square and square gets cancelled, here square and square gets cancelled, so sine pi, the value is b over square root of 1 plus b power 2. Same like that, we are going to find the value of cos pi. So that's why let's do divide both sides by cos square pi. Here cos gets cancelled, so we left only 1. Sin square pi over cos square pi is tan square pi. Tan square pi, the value is b power 2. So let's simply write this as b power 2. So from here we can say that cos square pi 1 over 1 plus b power 2. So we need cos pi, so that's why let's take square root on both sides. Then cos pi equal to 1 over square root of 1 plus b power 2. Let's substitute this cos theta, sin pi, cos pi values here. 2 times. What is sin theta? A over square root of 1 plus a power 2. What is cos theta? 1 over square root of 1 plus a power 2. Observe the denominators, we have a square root of 1 plus a power 2 and square root of 1 plus a power 2. If you multiply, we got only 1 plus a power 2. That is equal to m times 2. What is the sin pi? Which is b over square root of 1 plus b power 2. What is cos pi? 1 over square root of 1 plus b power 2. Here also square root of this term times square root of this term. If you multiply, we left only 1 plus b power 2. Here 2 and here 2 gets cancelled. So we left only a over 1 plus a power 2, that is equal to m times b over 1 plus b power 2. So using the first condition, we got this a over 1 plus a power 2, that is equal to 2b over 1 plus b power 2. So instead of this a over 1 plus a power 2, we can write this as 2b over 1 plus b power 2. Isn't it? That is equal to m times b over 1 plus b power 2. Here a over 1 plus a power 2 we can, instead of this left hand side term, I written 2b over 1 plus b power 2. Here b gets cancelled and 1 plus b power 2, 1 plus b power 2 gets cancelled. So we left only m on the right hand side and 2 on the left hand side. That we got the m value, which is 2. So now clearly say that m value is 2. And that's wrap. Hope you enjoyed solving this trigonometric identity with me. If you have any more questions or topics you had like to explore, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more problem solving sections. See you in the next video.